tip and trick is about the dot challenge. What is the dot challenge? Well, do you avoid certain categories? Challenge yourself to play different ones. Most of the time I play what the tiles tell me, which could be an exposed or concealed hand. But if you have to decide which hand to play, choose one of the easier ones to make. However, when you win the hand, you want to put a dot next to the hand you've won, and try throughout the year before the next card to have a dot next to every hand. Try using a Sharpie or even dot stickers. See my website listed below where to buy. Another suggestion is keeping track of all your wins by putting tally marks or hash marks. You can see here. This way you can see the hands that you don't play. Just keep challenging yourself to playing new hands. It makes you a much better Mahjong player. Develop yourself into a fine, skilled Mahjong player and learn to play all the hands with the dot challenge. However, in the end, always play to win. A word of caution: as we approach the new card and all your wins are marked with dots, other players will likely know what hands you are trying for. It would be the ones not marked. So keep your card concealed. If you like this tip and want to learn more tips and tricks, you can take lessons from me at Mah Jongg Class, or check me out on Facebook or my webpage, Mah Jongg Class. If you like this video, subscribe for more and click the bell for notification.